Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to download VMware Workstation Pro from the Broadcom website and install it on Ubuntu. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to broadcom.com. Log in with your credentials. If you don't already have a Broadcom account, check out my previous video for a quick guide on creating one. Once logged in, look for a small cloud icon in the top right panel. Click on it and select VMware Cloud Foundation. Then, from the left panel, click on My Downloads. Scroll through until you find VMware Workstation Pro and click on it. Under the Products panel, expand VMware Workstation Pro for personal use and select the Linux-compatible version. Choose the version you need. I'll click on the latest build. Accept the license agreement checkbox, and then you're ready to download the installation file. Wait until the download is complete. Once the download is complete, check your Downloads folder to locate the installation file. Now, open your terminal. Before starting, I recommend updating Ubuntu to ensure compatibility with the new software. Use this command to update Ubuntu. Now, install the Build Essential package. It contains a list of required packages. After the update completes, clear the terminal so we have a fresh view for the installation. Now, navigate to the Downloads folder where our installation file is located. Once you're there, use this command to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. To ensure VMware Workstation runs smoothly, you may need to install additional VMware modules. Run this command. After it finishes, you can close the terminal. Now you can open the VMware Workstation Pro using Show Apps icon. Open VMware Workstation Pro. Accept the license agreement, and click Next. Here, you can choose to enable automatic product updates based on your preference. Next, you can choose whether to join the Customer Improvement Program. I'll select Yes for this lab and click Next. Finally, choose the installation type. For personal use, no license key is required, so select that option and click Finish. To finalize, you'll need to enter your Ubuntu user password to complete the installation and configuration. And that's it. You're all set to use VMware Workstation Pro on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.